So when we first started chilling about them, it was like I was the guitar player, but nobody really wanted to sing. And eventually I was like, all right, whatever, I want to do it, right? And honestly, singing and playing at the same time has never been really a problem for me, but sometimes I got some parts where the guitar plays a rhythm which is completely different from the rhythm that the vocals go in. So then I just sit down and I play the part really slow, and I whisper the lyrics and the rhythm on top of it, and I kind of build it up, and eventually I get it down, and that's about it. I mean, good example, for example, it would be the verse from Living Dead Beat. The riff goes like this. And the vocals are just completely something else, so I needed to practice that for a little bit to get it down, but otherwise, well, not really a problem.